So, if you're watching this, you're probably stuck on the side of the road like I was. So, I had a stall while I was driving down the highway, just all of a sudden lost power for no reason. Doing about 60, 65. It wasn't fun. The emergency brake helped slow the vehicle and get it to a safe stop. Sat and waited for a tow truck for 2 hours before, started playing around with things. And this is what I found. I think this is a really good indicator of this problem. If your fuel gauge goes all the way to the right while you're driving for no reason, and your vehicle stalls, and you have a crank yet no start situation, this could be a fix for you. First thing I tried to do was I was like, fuel pump relay? Switch the starter relay with a fuel pump relay. Starter still started, so that wasn't it. Left it as is, no need to change that back. What I found out was, it was the, let's take you out there, I'll go show you. It was the ECM fuse. So if you want to know where your ECM fuse is, this is the front of your vehicle. Like I said, this is a 2002 GMC Savana 3500. And right there next to your brake fluid is the cover. There's a tab over here. Where's this camera here? There's a tab over here. You push that tab in. Tab over here, push that tab in. If you have giant hands, it pops off. Power through there. There's your fuse diagram. The one that we're looking at is, this was the one that blew for me, ECMB. Other people's ECM1 blows. This was mine, 20 amp. Thank you, Jesus. I had spares where they say spares. So 20 amp, this one happened to be a 30 amp spare, and there was a 20 amp there. I did the wrong thing and just threw the 30 amp right in there. And that got me going again. I put it back in here for demonstration purposes, but here's the one that you're looking for. You could actually see it's bad just by sitting in the block there. And yeah, no bueno. That big black spot is actually just completely burnt out, and it's not connected to the middle. The fix, which I should have did. I should have looked at. Pray to St. Joseph, he'll help you. That's what I did after 2 hours. And then it was just like, oh yeah, why don't you just try looking at the fuses? So it took the 20, which you're not supposed to do, 30, and stuck it in there. I should just do the 20. And then if the 20 blows again, I got the 30 there, might as well. I mean, broken down is broken down. So, all right, there we go. So you got the 20 there, put your cover back on, and now your fuel gauge should be back to normal-ish. Mine is still not happy, but there you go. Goes right back to normal. Starts up, and there you go. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. I'm going to figure it out myself what actually is causing that. Some kind of short, some kind of something blowing your fuse. Not a good thing. But if you're driving and your vehicle stalls and you can't steer, you can always turn the key, because that'll spin the engine over, get the power steering putt moving. You might even get some brakes. And to actually slow your vehicle down, use your emergency brake. And if you hold the little thingy in, you could use it like a normal brake, but so it doesn't ratchet. Yeah, really hope this helps somebody. Thanks. Have a great day. Or better, have a better day.